Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to write summative assessment for the unit tradition and language. Grade 9. Task 1. Read the text and circle true or false. Halloween. Halloween is a popular festival in many countries all over the world, and every year it seems to get bigger. Find out some more about the traditional festival of Halloween. The origins of the name. The festival of Halloween has its roots in Celtic and Roman traditions. Over 2,000 years ago, the Celts in Britain, Ireland, and parts of France celebrated Samhain to mark the beginning of winter. When the Romans invaded, they merged this with Feralia, the celebration of the passing of the dead. Halloween traditions. In the past, there was a tradition called souling. Poor people went around house asking for food. In exchange, they promised to say prayers for the dead. People no longer go souling, but the habit has been transformed into a modern Halloween game for children. In America, who dress up as ghosts. Next, witches. Halloween wouldn't be fun without witches. Witches have always been part of popular folklore. Shakespeare's play Macbeth opened with 3 witches. A witch was someone, usually a woman, who had special powers and had dealing with the devil. In the American town Salem in the state of Massachusetts, is famous for the witchcraft trials, which took place there in 1692. The pumpkins. The pumpkin is a symbol of Halloween. People empty a pumpkin, cut a face into the side and put a candle inside. Яғни асқабақ бұл Хеллоуин мейрамының өте символы болып табылады. Оны ішін тазалап бос қылады да, оның ішіне свитер жағып қояды. Now task 1. Мына сөйлемдер true немесе false екенін табамыз. The first, lots of people like Halloween. Көп адамдар Halloween жақсы көреді. It's true. Next, the Celts celebrate Samhain at the end of autumn. It is the second is true. The Christian church took over the older pagan festival. It is also true. Next, only poor people say trick or treat. It is false. Тек қана кедей адамдар ғана trick or treat деп айтпайды. Witches are modern characters. It is false. Jack-o'-lantern was another name for the devil. It is also false. Next, task 2. Write present perfect sentence. For example, I live in Russia for many years. Мен көп жылдар бойы Россияда өмір сүремін дегенде present perfectке қалай қоямыз? I have lived in Russia for many years. The second, Mike visited Paris several times. Mark has visited Paris several times. Next, circle for or one since. Since пен for'ды қоямыз. I have worked here for 6 years. Мен мұнда 6 жылдан бері жұмыс жасаймын. I have worked in the factory since 2011. Мен мұнда 2011-ден бері жұмыс жасаймын дейді. Next, present perfect continuous pilgrims. My father has been reading newspaper for 1 hour. Менің әкем 1 сағаттан бері газет оқып отыр. Яғни біз 3-ші шаққа my father 3-ші шақ болғандықтан has қоямыз. Next, present perfect continuous. Choose one correct. I have been sleeping since last night. Мен кеше түннен бері ұйықтап жатырмын, яғни әлі ұйықтап жатыр. Сондықтан I have been қоямыз. So we have finished this summative assessment by